This video is all about reviewing Chicago steaks. They came packed in dry ice and to have a little fun, I dropped the dry ice in a little bit of water to get that spooky smoke going there. So in this video I have two 8-ounce top sirloin steaks to prepare. So I received a gift just yesterday from Chicago Steaks. Thanks to A&O, you know who you are. I'm not going to say your names, just A&O. And I'm going to prepare on my grill the premium Angus beef top sirloin steak. And I have two 8-ounce steaks to prepare. And stick around because I'm going to have a giveaway at the end of the video. First things first, it's all about seasoning the steak. Today will be just salt and pepper only. And if you're in Texas and you can go to HEB, you can buy the salt and pepper already mixed in that shaker that's there. I've gone through that shaker enough times where I have now just purchased a large amount of coarse black pepper and the large blue box of Morton's coarse salt. And I just mix my own in there and then use that shaker over and over. Now in this pot, I have 3 cups of water and about 1/3 of a cup of salt. And this is going to make some salted potatoes. It sounds like an ungodly amount of salt, but it does not oversalt the food. It really is just on the surface and it does come out very good. Like the text said, I should have left the top off because the splatter of that salt water was all over my stove. It is March, but we are at 85 degrees according to the weather, 92 degrees according to the probes. You can see the temperature of the meat there, about to go on the grill, already on the grill, but on the cool side. I'll start them off on the cool side. When they reach an internal temperature of 125, then I will sear them over the coals, and that'll bring it from the 125 of rare up to a 135, which is my target of a medium cooked steak. And there we go over the coals. I don't have the sound on there, but if you were there, you could hear a really nice searing of the meat. Now it doesn't take long to get up to the 135 target, only about 2 minutes, and getting some really nice searing marks on there, the grill marks on there, and last 30 seconds brings it up to where I want it for my medium cooked steaks. Before I cool down my grill, I give it a light brushing or a heavy brushing with my coiled grill scraper, close all of my vents, top and bottom, and that will extinguish the fire as well as save the coals. Now, back to my potatoes on the inside. My cast iron pan is nice and hot. Add a little butter, a little bit of olive oil, and put 2 of the done potatoes in there, and I'm going to smash those down. And that will just give a light crust on the surface of that smashed potato. After a few flips and a little bit of browning, then they're ready to come out. Some more olive oil, and that'll help it sear a little better. A little bit of salt and pepper for flavor, the way I like it. And of course, everything is better with butter. So like I said, after a few flips, they're done. They didn't take very long. And the steak resting during that time, everything came out just right. I had a total of 5 potatoes, little small golf ball size. And here we are. Now, as I always say, none of that work means anything unless it tastes good. So let's give it a taste. First, I'm going to try my potatoes. These were all salted and salted and boiled. And I put some butter on these already and then smashed them inside my cast iron frying pan, as you saw. A little bit of sour cream on top. That's how I like it. Let's give it a shot. The saltiness is not coming through like I really want it to, but that's fine. This tastes like a good potato. And these will more than likely have the flavor more like a baked potato, butter and sour cream, still smoking. The salt on the exterior on that is really nice, just not overpowered, just nice. And my Chicago steak. So I have my ThermoPro for the first time set at rare, which set it for 125. I wanted medium, which would be a little bit higher temperature. So at rare is when I went back outside and then put it over the coals for searing. So let's give it a taste. Chicago steaks, you get an A for tenderness. This is very good. A&O, I really appreciate the gift. I can't thank you enough. That's all I can say. And Chicago steaks, I'm going to have to make you a client of my own. Now, as far as the rare I was looking for, or the medium I was looking for, I think I'm there. I would have liked a little more darker pink, but let me give it, I hope you can see that nice and clear. Came out just like I'd like it. So ThermoPro, you also get an A for your temperature control device. And I had 2 probes, one in each steak, with an alarm that would go off at 125, and it worked perfectly. So I really wanted these cooked to about 135 maybe, to a medium. So taking them off at 125 from the cool side of my grill, putting them over the coals, brought my temps up to 135 like I like it. Now you may notice that I'm wearing a different shirt than when I started out this video. It's March. We're in New Braunfels, Texas. It is 90 degrees outside. That long sleeve blue shirt was just too hot. So I went with a short sleeve shirt I just threw on. I hope you like content like this. I am not sponsored by any of the products that you see here. Please give me a like, a share, a comment. Tell me what you think I did wrong. Tell me what you think I did right. And I hope to see you on my next video. Now, the last part of the video, I did mention at the very beginning that I'll be doing a giveaway. If you watched any of my other videos, you may have seen this thermometer that I use to test the doneness of the meats that I cook. Or you may have seen this one also that I use to do the same thing. And both of them work great, but the ThermoPro is one of the ones that is recommended by so many people. I decided to go ahead and do this one as a giveaway. I have not opened this box. It is brand new. I've never used this one. I am not sponsored by ThermoPro in any way, shape, or form. Once I reach 100 followers, or 100 subscribers, I should say, then I will go through all of my videos. And if you have subscribed and made a comment and give me a like, you'll be entered into the giveaway for this thermometer, the ThermoPro. The ThermoPro Ultra Fast Digital Food Thermometer, cook like a pro. And this is one of the ways, whether it's this one or the one that's Bluetooth to a phone, that you can definitely test the doneness of your food. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and you'll be entered in once I reach 100 subscribers. Have a great day.